Right. Good evening, guys. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. All right. You're welcome to Mr. K's Travel Club. This is another video of Mr. K's Travel Club. Guys, it's the first time. The first time I have actually purchased this drink. I think it's a drink, Logan Paul brand. It's a Logan Paul brand, right? I actually tasted this too. Nice stuff. Gosh, you know what? This one has got some, funny, taste, but it's nice. Tastes very good, but the taste is. I'm not sure. Maybe it's because of I'm not used of these drinks. Because in South Africa we normally buy some different drinks. Your Coca-Cola and the juices and Fanta, orange, and all those type of things. This is great. Matota. Hey guys, if you haven't found a drink like this called Prime, this is Logan Paul, the most successful YouTuber from the US, right? This is his brand. It's a very, 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 very good brand. You can try it. You can go to shops like ShopRite. No. I found this at Checkers South Africa. All right, Checkers South Africa. Give me charger quickly, charger and power bank. Right. So all right. So this is very, very, very nice. So I think everyone must try it. Logan Paul will actually be very, 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 very proud to hearing me talking about his right. So, like I was saying, Logan Paul will actually be very, very proud. You know what I'm saying? Just for him to get to understand that, hey, I'm proud of Logan Paul. Logan Paul, I'm calling your name. Hey, I'm not calling you on the ring. Hey, I'm scared of you. I'm not calling you on the ring. Logan Paul, please. I'm not Seth Rollins, please. I'm not Seth Rollins. I know you got a beef with Seth Rollins. Go sort out your beef with him. But I'm not Seth Rollins. I'm just telling you now. You know what? Well done, my brother. This is very good. This is very, I'm so proud to have, at least to have noticed that you have actually, your brand is actually, globally. Look at the bottles, guys. Look at this bottle. Prime. Let me just quickly see the contents of this Prime. What does the Prime? Blue raspberry flavored drink. It's a blue raspberry hydration drink, 500 milliliters. And this one, let me see this one. Is it the same? Is it the same? Let me see. Which one is this? Where is my camera now? What's happening to this now? This is tropical. You can see. I'm not sure what's happening to my camera, but at least you can see. It's tropical punch flavored drink. Tropical punch flavored drink, right? So the same hydration drink, 500 milliliters, right? So guys, this is very good. I think Logan Paul must actually, export, import this, products into many different countries. Logan Paul, have you reached, Asia as well? I know you have reached Africa. Well done, my brother. Well done. I give you a thumbs up. You know what? I'm saying to you, thumbs up, my brother. Thumbs up. This is very good. All right, guys. We will do this again next time. As soon as I get something new, this is something new that is actually came into our country, our shore side in South Africa. All right, Cape Town, the Republic of South Africa. All right. So thank you so very much for watching, guys. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe. You are my valued visitor on my channel. I really appreciate it. So next time we will always talk about this, and I will keep you posted. If I found something very exciting, I will actually post about it. All right. Thank you so much, guys, for watching.